to Daily English Talk.
All right, quick recap from the last video.
In our last video, we were still up in the sky, on the plane, talking to the cabin crew and ordering food.
But now, we've just landed in a brand new country.
Plane doors are open, everyone is getting off, and it's time for the part many travelers are scared of.
Immigration, customs, and then finding a taxi into the city.
This video, you'll hear real English conversations for all of that. Talking to the immigration officer, answering questions, going through customs, and taking a taxi to the hotel.
No boring textbook phrases, just natural English that people really use at the airport and in real life.
So if you feel nervous about speaking English when you arrive in another country, stay with us till the end.
Wow, we finally made it. The plane is landing.
Look out the window. That's London down there.
I still get excited every time.
Same here. Okay, so in the last video, we were on the plane talking to the cabin crew.
And now it's time for the scary part for many travelers: immigration, customs, and getting into the city.
Don't worry, we'll go through everything together in real English.
All right, we've landed. Seatbelt sign is off. Let's grab our stuff.
Phone, passport, landing card, got everything?
I think so. Let's go.
Okay, everyone is slowly walking off the plane. I always feel like a zombie at this part.
Same, especially after a long flight.
Look, there's a sign, arrivals and baggage claim.
And there, passport control/immigration. That's our next stop.
I always get a little nervous at immigration, even when I have all my papers.
Same, but it's usually fine. They just ask a few basic questions.
Okay, we're almost there. Look at that line.
Long line, but that's normal.
So, what do you think they'll ask us this time?
Probably the classics. What's the purpose of your visit? How long are you staying? Where are you staying?
Good thing we actually have answers.
Yeah. Tourist, 2 weeks, hotel in central London.
Okay, looks like it's almost our turn.
You go first, or should I?
You go first. I'll listen carefully. Next, please.
Hello.
Hello. Passport, please.
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. What's the purpose of your visit?
I'm here on vacation, just tourism.
How long are you staying in the UK?
I'll be staying for 2 weeks.
Where will you be staying?
I'm staying at a hotel in central London, near King's Cross.
Do you have a return ticket?
Yes, I do. It's on my phone. Do you want to see it?
Yes, please.
Here it is. I'm flying back on the 25th.
All right. Do you have enough funds for your stay?
Yes, I do. I have a credit card and some cash.
Okay. Are you traveling alone?
No, I'm traveling with a friend. She's right behind me in the line.
All right. Everything looks fine. I'll stamp your passport. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you very much.
Next, please.
Hi. Good morning.
Good morning. Passport, please.
Sure, here you are.
Thank you. What's the purpose of your visit?
I'm here as a tourist. I'm on holiday.
How long will you be staying?
About 2 weeks.
Do you already have accommodation booked?
Yes, I have a hotel booking near King's Cross in central London.
Do you know the name of the hotel?
Yes, it's called the Rosewood Central. Do you want me to show you the booking?
Yes, please.
Here it is on my phone. Thank you.
Are you traveling with anyone?
Yes, I'm traveling with a friend. His name is Harry. He just came through before me.
I see. And do you work or study in your home country?
I work as an English teacher.
All right. Enjoy your holiday. Thank you. Have a nice day.
See? That wasn't so bad, right?
Yeah, it was okay. I was a little nervous when he asked for the hotel name, but it was fine.
You did great. All right, immigration, done.
Next stop, baggage claim.
Let's follow the signs.
There we go. Baggage claim carousel 5. That's our flight.
All right, let's grab a trolley. My suitcase is heavy.
There's one over there.
Thanks. Now we wait and stare at the belt like everyone else.
I always get nervous my bag won't show up.
Same every single time.
Oh, I see my backpack.
Nice. Grab it.
Got it. Now we just need your big suitcase. It's been a while. Do you see your suitcase?
Not yet. I hope it's not lost.
If it doesn't show up, we can go to the lost luggage desk.
Yeah, I know. Let's wait a little longer.
Wait, is that yours? The black one with the red strap?
Yes, that's the one.
Finally. Go get it.
Got it. My suitcase survived.
Okay, so baggage, done. Now customs.
Right. Let's see what the signs say.
Look, it says nothing to declare and goods to declare.
We don't have anything to declare, right?
Nope. No alcohol, no cigarettes, no large amounts of cash, no food.
Okay, then we can go through nothing to declare.
Still, they might randomly stop us and ask a few questions.
True. Just be honest and relaxed.
Excuse me, sir, ma'am. Could you come over here for a moment?
Sure.
Of course. Where are you arriving from today?
We're arriving from Ho Chi Minh City.
Are you bringing any food, alcohol, cigarettes, or large amounts of cash?
No, we're not.
Just clothes and personal items? Do you have any items to declare?
No, nothing to declare.
All right. Could you please open this suitcase for me?
Sure, no problem.
Okay, that's fine. Thank you. You're free to go.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
That wasn't too scary.
Yeah, pretty quick.
Okay, immigration, done. Customs, done. Now we need to get into the city.
Right. Taxi, train, what do you think?
Since we have a lot of luggage, maybe taxi is easier.
Agreed. Let's look for the official taxi stand.
I love airports that have an official taxi line. It feels safer.
Same. Okay, there's a staff member there. Hi, excuse me. Hello, can I help you? Yes, we'd like to go to a hotel near King's Cross in central London. Okay, no problem. It's a fixed fare from the airport.
Could you tell us how much it is, roughly?
It's about £70, depending on traffic. And how long does it take, usually? Around an hour, maybe a little less if the roads are clear.
Okay, that's fine.
Great. Just join the queue and the next available taxi will take you.
Thank you very much.
Hello there. Where are you heading today? Hi, we're going to the Rosewood Central near King's Cross. All right, hop in.
Thank you.
First time in London? Yeah, first time for both of us. You'll love it. Just hope the weather is kind to you. Yeah, we're prepared for some rain. Good plan. By the way, roughly how long do you think it will take to get to the hotel? Maybe 45 minutes to an hour, depending on traffic in the city. Okay, that's fine. Does the fare include any tolls or extra charges? It should include everything from the airport. If there's anything extra, I'll let you know. All right, thank you.
I can't believe we actually made it.
Yeah, plane, immigration, customs, now taxi. We're almost there.
You know, a lot of people watching probably worry most about immigration.
True, it feels serious.
But if you're honest, polite, and prepared to answer basic questions, it's usually okay.
Yeah, like purpose of visit, length of stay, where you're staying, return ticket.
Exactly.
And with customs, just don't lie.
Yeah, if you have something to declare, say it. If you don't, nothing to declare is enough.
And now we're practicing all the taxi English we need.
I think people really need that too, asking about price, time, and destination.
All right, we're almost there. Just a couple more minutes. Great.
The city looks so nice.
Okay, here we are. This is the Rosewood Central. Amazing. No problem. That'll be £70, please. Sure. Do you take card or is it cash only? Card is fine. Okay, here you go. Thank you. Could I get a receipt, please? Sure, just a moment. Here you go. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too. Enjoy your stay in London.
We did it. We made it all the way from the plane to the hotel.
Yeah, and we survived immigration, customs, and taxi English.
For everyone watching, think about what we did today. We answered questions at immigration.
We talked to customs.
We followed signs, found baggage claim, and handled a bit of stress about luggage.
And we took a taxi into the city, asked about price and time, and paid politely.
All in natural, real English.
In the next video, we'll continue this journey inside the hotel.
We'll check in, talk to the receptionist, ask questions about breakfast, Wi-Fi, and more.
For now, thank you for traveling with us and for practicing real English with us.
We're Emma and Harry from Real Talk English.
See you in the next video at the hotel reception.
And welcome to London.